Whether you are a student, an employee, or a business owner, making presentations is a daunting task we all face. You open up Canva or PowerPoint expecting to finish in an hour, thinking it will be very quick. But before you know it, hours have passed and you're still tweaking fonts and layouts instead of focusing on your message. Today, I'll show you how to create a clean and professional presentation in under 5 minutes using our AI agent Slide Studio while saving a significant amount of time. I'm Hike and let's dive in. So open up the Picsart homepage, go to the left side and click on AI agents. But you might ask, what is an AI agent? Let me tell you, our AI agents are software that can help you with your everyday tasks, just like a real human assistant. Here you'll see a list of all the available agents we have. So go ahead and open it up. This agent has some powerful capabilities, including building professional brand decks, providing feedback, and even creating custom charts and layouts. At the bottom of the screen is where you'll be able to add imagery, type in prompts, and even dictate them with a microphone feature. In this video, I want to create 3 different presentations on 3 different topics. In this first example, let's say I'm a lecturer in a museum and I have a few bullet points about the extinction of dinosaurs in my notes. I'm simply going to ask the agent in the prompt box to help me turn these rough notes into a polished presentation. Right under it, I'm going to paste my rough notes. Once you're done, click Send. Now the agent will analyze and summarize my request and come back with some clarifying questions. For the audience, I'm thinking of the general public. For the tone, cinematic and dramatic, and for the file format, I'm just going to stick to PDF. After sending it, Slide Studio will work in the background to build you a final proposal before executing using your Picsart credits. At this point, the agent automatically created a proposal plan, which you can either approve or request some changes. It even shows the total cost. I'm happy with it, so I'll approve the plan. And here we go. In just a few moments, it comes back with a link to your Picsart Drive with your new slide presentation. So let's head to our Picsart Drive folder and take a look. Wow, look at this. Look at the quality. This looks beautiful and professional at the same time. I love the cinematic visuals. Slide Studio made quick work of my notes and turned them into a beautifully designed presentation in just a few minutes. Now, let's create the second presentation. Let's pretend I'm a business owner looking to pitch investors for some funding to expand my Nostos perfume brand. I'm going to upload a few brand images of my product and my brand logo. By the way, if you have missed our tutorial on how you can turn a rough sketch into a finished design for your brand, then make sure to watch this video. I'll type in the prompt box, "Help me build a pitch deck for potential investors for my luxury fragrance brand Nostos. The key differentiator for my product is its slow manufactured quality, ethically sourced ingredients from local producers. Have the presentation have summery Mediterranean colors like warm beiges and whites and shades of blue." Click Send. Let's see what Slide Studio comes up with. The agent analyzed my images and is asking some clarifying questions, so I'm going to give my answers to these questions. Now it will take this information and propose a design plan, including colors, fonts, and overall style. Slide Studio will now work its magic to create a slide deck. I think it's ready. Let's take a look together. Wow, this is so elegant, and it captures my brand perfectly. I'm sure it is definitely going to convince some investors to invest in my brand. For the third presentation, let's say I'm a creative strategist working in the music industry, looking into streaming habits. I've done some research before, and now I want to turn it into some charts to include in a strategy deck ready for presentation to senior leaders of my company. I can simply write this in the prompt box. Then I'm going to copy and paste some of the information that I collected. Give Slide Studio a few minutes to analyze. It's ready. Now let's go to our drive and check it out. In a very short time, the agent put all of that information into a very clear and easy to read visual chart, perfect to include data-driven decks. For the last presentation idea, I'm thinking that I run a social media agency creating pitch decks for potential clients. Let's say I have some boring slides that I'm not satisfied with. They need a stronger visual design. So I'm going to upload those slides I have and I'll simply type analyze and redesign this deck. Now it came back with direct feedback and suggested some improvements. As you can see, it summarizes the deck, shares some of the issues that it's found, and suggests redirection. Answer the agent's questions as precisely as possible to improve these boring slides. It looks like Slide Studio is done. Let's check it out. I like it. It's very good. It tells the story of our agency and how it can help you as a client. It's definitely going to bring some new clients to my social media agency. So go ahead and create your school project or business tasks presentation with Picsart's AI agent Slide Studio. Don't forget to experiment and have fun with it. And share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos. As always, I'm Haik. Stay tuned, thanks for watching, and I'll see you around.